What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Xiomara and I am the soul that's going to show you the hidden blessings in life. If it's not your first time here, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you guys. In today's video, we are hopping right into, you can call it scripting, you can call it journaling, but writing down your dreams to create your reality and manifest your life. Every time I see you, you make my heart say. I think it is so important to write everything down. I have years and years backlogged in so many journals of just different ways that I manifested. And I think it's really important to write everything down because you can look back at it at the end of the year and see all the things that came to fruition. So if you're interested in manifesting a reality, I will go into my technique in depth and everything that you need to know. So go ahead and keep on watching. All right, let's get it started. Diving right into my 2018 journal, I recommend picking journals with some inspiring quote or something that'll remind you that even on the days that you're feeling down, to keep going, to keep staying grateful. So as you can see, my first entry was in January of 2018. My last one was on December 31st of 2018. This book is filled with intentions, affirmations, goals, mantras, and gratitude. I even attached a physical check written out to myself with X amount of money. There's no reason to hold any details back because it's your story. Picking up my 2019 book, I was focusing more on faith, so this journal fit me perfectly. It's imperative to always start a new journal by listing out your goals because you'll notice that they will become a theme for that year. 2019 was a year full of gratitude for me, and that actually ended up overlapping into the next journal. I really enjoy this process a lot because it's just so much self-reflection, introspection, so much that you learn about yourself that you can apply to your life. All right, so this is my current journal. You can tell we've been through some things this year. Let's talk about synchronicities in your life. So I think it's really important to jot down those signs that the universe is sending you. I do this all the time, whether it's a number, a symbol, make sure that you're writing those down because it's very important. Always choose better for yourself because you are making magic happen with pen and paper. It doesn't get much better than journaling, I promise you. As you can see, I have about maybe 3 more pages left for the rest of the year, so I will most likely be starting a new journal, but that is good. That means that you are documenting as much as you can, and I just strive to continue. Now into my favorite part, the details, the nitty-gritty, the technique, you guys. This is important. Grab your pen and paper because we're not messing around. First thing that I need you guys to do is date your entry. And this is for obvious reasons, of course, but make sure you date it. No matter, it could be the numerical way, you could write it out, but make sure you know when you were recording this entry. The second step that I take is saying hello or even just doing a quick life update on how my day was, what I learned, etc. Because these are really beautiful reminders of the steps that you took to become a better version of yourself. So put it on paper, no matter how bad it was, what it matters. Step three, express gratitude. Now, y'all, if you know me, you know gratitude is key. To receive blessings, you have to be grateful for what you currently have. So jot it down, even if it's as minuscule as I drank water today. I woke up this morning. Those are important things. Say that you're grateful for it. And now we are hopping into the magic. Now it is time to write down your manifestations. It's imperative that you speak in present tense as if you already have what you want. For example, I am a successful YouTuber. I am so excited to be doing what I love. These are statements. There's no question mark behind it. If you were given an idea, that means it's achievable, so it's already in your realm of possibility. You just have to claim it. So write it as if you already have it because it is yours if you want it. Last but definitely not least, sign out with love. Yes, I know this is your journal. Who are you addressing this to? This is to yourself. This love is to your guides, to your source, and to your universe. You are sending them that love, thanking them again for everything that you experienced throughout the day, And it's really just signifying that trust that you have. You put your manifestations on paper, and now you just have to trust and believe, release, let go, that it's yours. There you go. I hope this video helps on your spiritual journey, and I'm really excited to know what you guys manifested with this technique. So go ahead and comment down below if you tried this out step by step and something that you wanted came to fruition. I'm so excited to hear. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And I will see you in the next one. Ooh.